What is that? Oh man. Hold on. You stay right here. I'll be right back. I gotta go. Hold on. Wait. I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm taking this with me.
What is this? What is happening?
Oh! KHD! Where'd you go?
Ricky, what is that thing?
That's the AT-AT.
Walker?
Yes! Let's get out of here. Run! Go! This way! Come on!
Okay.
Hey! KHD, I'm here. Hang on.
But you were late.
I'm always late sometimes. Maybe. I don't know. How's it going, buddy? Good. Man, I haven't seen you, man, forever, huh? Where have you been? What have you been doing?
Well, I've been playing a new game.
Oh, a new game. I mean, last time I seen you on a video was what? Vanilla? Alarm clock?
Mm-hmm.
And your video is like #1 on TechDadHD right now. That's awesome job, you know that? Man, so have you been like okay in the house during this whole coronavirus thing? Yeah. What have you been doing besides playing video games?
Well, I've been playing with my brother. I've been doing school on the computer online.
Nice.
And I played in the front of
Ah,
my scooter.
your scooter, that's right.
Electric.
Man, but we are here tonight. And we want to welcome you guys to this episode of TechDadHD with the special guest KHD here tonight. And we are excited about tonight's video. KHD here has some awesome things he wants to talk about. It's a video game. It's some kind of video game. A lot of people might know what the video game this is. It was out a couple years ago, but we've actually been playing this game. It's been fun. Both brothers can play it together. I can play it with them, and it's just been really fun to do that. So we're gonna jump into this video right now and talk about what game and give you some highlights and maybe like talk about like what you like to do with the game, the favorite characters, and like whatever the game is about, right?
Yeah.
So you ready to get into this thing?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Sector is clear. Not clear! Not clear! All wings. We're coming up on the Star Destroyer, but we need to clear that escort. Let's give him everything we got.
Hey everybody! It's KHD here, and what TechDadHD was saying back there, this game is pretty awesome. Star Wars Battlefront II. What a surprise! Okay, so I told you what the game was. Now, all we gotta do, I had to tell you what my favorite things about it is. #1, my favorite character is Scout Trooper, I think. Oh yeah. #2, what's my favorite level? My favorite level is Endor. #3, what is my favorite part of the game? My favorite part of the game is like when you're like flying in the air and destroying starfighters and all that. Number 4, my favorite person playing with it is my brother and my dad and my mom. My mom doesn't really know how to play that much, so it's okay. I like drinking soda on the couch playing it. Me and my brother do the split screen, and always we try to beat the resistance. I think you guys like the resistance more than the first order, right? Do you, TechDad?
Yes, I do.
I like the first order better.
We might have a problem.
You guys should really think about getting this game because it's like really fun to play with friends and family. I think it's time for TechDad to come back.
Hey, I'm back. What's going on? So you had fun telling people about your game.
Yeah,
What was the best thing about that game, you think?
playing it with my friends and family.
Ah, man. It is fun. He beats me every time, though. I'm telling you, kids these days, they just know how to play video games better than adults. But so it seems like you have a lot of fun playing this game, a lot of things you do on it, and hopefully out there, people out there that's watching you will get it and possibly try it too, and see what you're talking about and understand that it's a really fun game for your friends, family, and yourself, right?
Yeah.
Man, that's so cool. So what are you so excited about with the future of Star Wars? Do you think they're going to be coming out with any other games? Are you yawning again? This is like the video before. He yawns and he's tired. Oh goodness! It's like only like 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh, just kidding. 2. Just kidding. Anywho, what are you excited about for Star Wars like in the future?
I think there's like gonna be Star Wars games on Nintendos, on your phones, on TVs,
Yeah.
on iPads, computers.
That would be cool if they had like
tablets.
they probably have it now, but virtual reality. You could be like a Jedi. I think they do have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that. But how cool would that be to play? Maybe one day we could play that, right?
Yeah.
Where you have the goggles on and you're inside, wherever, and you got your joysticks and it's a lightsaber. That would be fun to play, right?
Yeah.
Maybe one day we'll be able to play that and definitely put a review out on that one. So man, that was some awesome news on that video game on Battlefront 2. That was exciting. Hopefully you guys got a chance to see through the eyes of KHD here what he likes to do with the game, the characters and everything that was a part of that game. So we want to thank you guys for watching this video and definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't. KHD here has something to tell you, and it's a secret. I don't know if anybody knows this yet, but you're gonna find out right now. What is that secret?
The secret is, drum that TechDadHD is my dad.
You just told everybody. Uh-oh. So, yeah, you got me. You caught me. Yes, he's my oldest. So, KHD, TechDadHD. We're going to be doing some more fun videos like this soon. And we just want to thank you guys again for watching this video. And we will see you guys next time. Peace.
Ah!